Iraq, a country which is ill-famed for its curtailment of women's rights, has now hit the headlines again over a new bill. Now, Iraq's Justice Ministry has introduced a bill that seeks to reduce the legal age of marriage for girls as low as 9 years. Now, as per inputs, the proposed law has already been successfully passed in the initial stage of the approval in the country's parliament, and the proposal, which has now stirred up a massive outrage denouncing it. The regulations related to legal marriageable age has come under the purview of the personal status law as well. It is to be noted here that as per this law, the current age for marriage is set at 18 years of age. However, should the new bill be enacted, the marriage of young girls as young as 9 would be allowed. Now, the bill also proposes the changes to the Iraq marriage bill. The bill proposes allowing citizens to choose between religious authorities or the civil judiciary for family matters. The draft bill also stipulates that couples must choose between Sunni or Shia sect for all matters of personal status. The proposal has also raised hackles of many activists. The bill that has been condemned in India too, taking to social media platform X, Rekha Sharma, the former NCW chief, has questioned how a society can be so shameless to allow this to happen. There are other leaders as well who've come down heavily on this bill. Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi too has echoed similar sentiments, saying that this was ruin the future of young girls as far as reducing the age to 9 for girls to marry in Iraq.
This is a disgusting, Sangesh, inhuman. I don't know what to do. So sometime under the garb of religion, people do any sort of crime and practice any evil. This is what is there. And this should not, it's a concern of Afghanistan. It's a global community must rise and boycott them. What are they doing?
Well, Rishabh is with us right now. Rishabh, as far as this bill is concerned, that has raised a lot of outcry within Iraq and outside Iraq as well. How is that one, like a civil society, can raise up when it comes to a bill to enact that as far as young girls as young as the age of 9 are eligible to marry?
Well, definitely. The Shia faction, which is a dominant faction in Iraq for last over 10 years since, they have got the power in Iraq. They have been trying to undermine the liberty that women have in the society. Though, as per, the way Saudi Arabia or other Islamic countries do have the necessary male guardianship in Iraq, that is not necessary. But now the Justice Ministry has proposed that the minimum age for a girl to get married as low as 9 years, and that is something that they're bringing it now down from 18 years, and that is something that has created a controversy worldwide. People are coming down heavily on Iraqi government, saying that what they're doing is against the human rights of the women and girls, for that matter, not even women, and also the way women rights are being curtailed in Iraq is something that needs attention.
Well, that's the point as far as this outcry is also concerned. Let's see if that would be considered here, because the voices that are now being raised against the bill is not just outside the country, but also within the country. If you have any more information on that, Rishabh, how the people there in Iraq have been reacting to this?
Talk about how the people have been in Iraq have been reacting. Remember, there are various factions in Iraq itself. Though the Shia government is in power, they have this Justice Ministry under them. But factions of Sunni, factions of Kurd, and other such factions have been voicing their voices. In 2019, there were a lot of protests as well against the Shia government, and back then also they were looking at a similar law to be enforced. Back then it wasn't enforced. Now it remains to be seen how things unfold. A group of 25 women in Iraqi parliament have been working to prevent the draft law. Remember, the law that is right now in draft has been drafted by the Ministry of Justice. A group of 25 women in the Iraqi parliament have been trying to prevent the draft law from being voted on again. But there is not that much of opposition within the Iraqi parliament, and that is something that is worrisome.
Absolutely, and very shocking as far as girls as young as 9 and boys as young as 15 can be allowed to marry if this new bill is enacted. And critics have also been arguing that this is a regressive move that would undermine decades of progress in promoting women's rights and also gender equality.